Thousands of students are getting settled on campus, and these days they bring a lot of high-end items with them. ABC 15's Brian McElhatton is live at ASU, and Brian, students need to protect more than just their computer.
That's right. I mean, they have everything in their rooms these days. Flat screens, multiple video game systems, multiple laptops, just about everything. I want to introduce you to a student who has pretty much everything in his room. This is Will Aha. He's a junior at ASU. And Will, why do students feel the need to bring all these pricey, expensive items to school with them?
Well, I think part of it is just our generation and how much we like technology. And I think the other thing is it reminds us a lot of being at home. So they want to bring something to ASU that reminds them a little bit of being at home so they don't get so homesick.
Yeah, and flat screens, laptops, I mean, it's like your living room, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Especially in my room, I have a big screen TV, an Xbox 360, a PS3, 2 computers, a speakers, and an iPod, so.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. And the big question is, of course, how do you keep it all safe? I want to bring in Jim Hardina with the ASU Police. And I know we don't have too many instances of theft here, thankfully, but what do they need to keep in mind to keep their belongings safe?
Well, what they need to do is all the things they've been doing all along. The things they've been doing at home, they need to do in the residence halls. And the two most important things are, number one, keep the door to your room locked, and then also don't prop the doors on the outside of the dorms, and don't let in strangers.
Okay. It's all about situational awareness and keeping your belongings safe. Jim, thank you very much. Some good advice for all those college students and parents of college students out there. We're live in Tempe. Brian McElhatton, ABC 15 News.